the next feature, which is Visualize.
Under the Visualize tab, you'll find the option to either colorize or filter your accounts. Both options allow you to have a customized view of your territory and see the accounts you're most interested in at all times. With this feature, you can easily organize and segment your accounts before making any changes, like creating routes and updating account information. Select Colorize to see your pins in different colors based on the fields associated with the account details. You'll be able to see the bigger picture of your accounts at a glance without looking through lines of data. For example, let's say you've created a filter called Priority with the values High, Medium, and Low. By clicking on it under the Colorize tab, you'll see your pins in 3 different colors depending on the value that's assigned to them. You'll know where your best opportunities are, and you can target the right accounts at the right time. Use Filter to sort and narrow down accounts you want to see on your map. You can use your existing filters and toggle off the values that you're not interested in. Let's say you only want to visualize high priority accounts. You would toggle off those with medium and low to stop seeing them on the map. This allows you to focus on the locations of your key accounts. If you want to narrow down your results more, you can have multiple filters active at the same time. Note that when filters are active, you'll see this flag here that says Filters Active. If you ever notice that not all of your accounts are showing up on the map, make sure to check if this is active, and if so, go ahead and reset your filters here.
The filters Days Since Last Check-In and Follow-Up Date are created in your account by default. The first one is a numeric field that keeps track of your check-ins and colorizes your accounts in different shades, from yellow to dark red, depending on when you last visited each account. This way, you can see that if some of your pins come up in dark red, it's time for a follow-up. Follow-up date is a filter that helps you plan and keep track of your follow-ups. Enter the date that you would like to follow up with each customer, and you'll be able to see the pins on the map in different colors, depending on how far in time your follow-up dates are. You'll see in light yellow those accounts you need to follow up with soon, and in a darker shade of red, those that require a follow-up on a later date.
All the other filters are created by you, which enables a high degree of customization. There are 2 different ways to create a new filter. Note that the option to manually create, edit, and delete fields is not available for team settings. If you're on a team, you'll have a dedicated account manager to customize your fields for you. The first and easiest way to create fields is with a spreadsheet. This way, new filters will be created at the same time you import all of your accounts into Badger. To do this, you need to create a new column in your spreadsheet. Add the field name as the new column's header. Under your new header, add values from your field in the rows of the accounts that they're associated with. For example, if your new header is Purchasing Stage, add the status of that prospect or customer in the correct row under that header. Once you import the spreadsheet into Badger, these column headers will turn into filters that'll contain all the values you assign to each of them. You can also create new fields manually in Badger. To do this, go to Settings, and then Manage Fields. Scroll to the bottom of this new window. Click on Add New Field, and type in the name of the filter. You'll need to choose the filter type, text or numeric. Then you can save it and change the position of this filter or of any of the other filters. Now, you can start assigning values to your new filter. You can do this account by account under Account Details, or create a new value for multiple accounts using the lasso tool. This tool allows you to mass update a big number of accounts so that you can edit or assign any values. To delete a field, go back to Manage Fields, look for the filter you want to remove from the system, and click on Delete.
There you go. It's that simple.